Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen, and these are my reviews. Today is a Stitch Fix day. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I'll put a link below. If you click on that link, you'll get $25 credit towards your first fix. If you use it, it's $25 free. Totally awesome. Risk-free. If you don't like anything, send it back. Or you can use that $25 and apply it to the product or the item that you purchased. So it's an awesome deal. So if you like these kind of videos, stay tuned. Okay, so this is a big box. So let's move back and we'll open the box for you and see what's in there. So what we have here is your return bag for anything that you don't want. You just put in this bag and return it. Next, you have your style card, as well as your price sheet. And then here's my bundle. There's the front, and there's the other side. And then it looks like I have a bag in here. So we'll get to that. All right, so here is my style card. And let's see if I have Nikki as my stylist. I do. So here is the card, if you wanna see. And okay, so your style delivered, fix number 28 has arrived. Kristen, summer may be winding down, but I've included some great pieces to get you excited for fall. You mentioned in your note that you love 3/4 length tops, so try the ID 23 top that you recently pinned. Wear it with these cosmic blue love distress free hem shorts right now, which are on the top of your Pinterest board as well. Since you also love stripes, you pinned this in another color. Try the pink clover cowl neck knit top. I've noticed some longer length cardigans pinned in your board, so I've included the versatile white textured one from Pink Clover that is lightweight and will transition tanks into cooler weather in a few months. You've also liked this mustard Urban Expressions tote. Have fun rocking these looks and let me know which pieces was your favorite. XOXO Nikki. That's awesome. Okay, so I have my price sheet out, so let's see the prices as we go. So the first item I'm gonna pull out of the box, and it is this tote here. It is a mustard yellow. It's very nice, and it has inside, this is what it looks like. And then it looks like that's some blue and white stripes. There is a pocket right here, as well as one in the middle. If you can see that, there's one in the middle. And then another pocket on the side, and it looks like this is a duster bag. And it closes, has a close here. So this here is the Urban Expressions Rowdy Classic Work Tote in mustard. And on the side, one of these sides here, I will have the picture and the pricing of the item, but I'm gonna let you know now, this is a really nice bag. I don't think it's leather, but it's probably would fit my computer and be a nice computer bag for work. So we'll try that, and let's see how much this is. This is $48, so that's not that bad. Here it is. Very nice bag. And then I'll try it on with one of my outfits so you can see what it looks like. Really like that. So we'll put that off to the side. Okay, so let's get into the bundle. Okay. All right. So the first item here, it looks like what she was speaking about, which, oh, this is really nice. This is like a longer cardigan, which is white, and it's got like a waffle feeling. It's extremely soft. Wow, this is really nice. So it's hard for me to show you, but here, I'll show you in the try on. It looks like it has some pockets in the front. That's really nice. So let's see what this is. This is the Pink Clover Shola textured cardigan, and that is $44. So that's a good deal. Next here, it looks like these are the shorts that she was speaking about, the cosmic blue. They have some distressing on the front and a little bit on the back. They're extremely soft as well. And let me pull this tag out of the way so you can see them. These are really nice. And these are the Cosmic Blue Love Sheila Distressed Frem Hem Denim Shorts. And these are $44. They're nice, very comfortable. Okay, next we have this top. It's very soft as well. It's like blue, light blue, red, and white. Very nice. So it's pretty long. It's 3/4 length sleeve. And this is the ID23 Pollock one pocket Henley top in an extra small, and that's $38. So that's really cute. And then last item, which is this really another soft top. Let me see here. It looks like cow neck top. Here it is. That's really cute, and it has strings. It looks like it's a light blue and white. Really like this a lot. It looks comfortable and cozy. So we'll have to try all this on. So let's see here. So this is the Pink Clover Polar Cow Knit top in extra small, and it's navy, and it's $44. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is try this stuff on, let you know my opinions and what I like, and at the end I'll do a total of what everything costs, my box, and then let you know exactly what I decided to keep. Okay, keep watching. Okay, so first item, we have this top. It's extremely comfortable. The material feels awesome. It's not heavy. It's a lightweight top, and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable. The cowl neck is awesome. It's not tight or anything. It fits phenomenally. It's a little bit longer in the sleeves, which is okay because I kind of like my tops longer. And I'll show you the back. It's very nice. I really like this a lot. Next I have the shorts, the Cosmic Blue. They're really comfortable. They kind of go down here in the back, which is really nice. So they're not like super short, and they're actually really comfortable. So I like these a lot. They fit nice. They're a little bit tighter, but they're okay. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. The pockets, and there's some distressing here on both sides, so they fit really nice. Okay, so next is the blue top. It's really cute. It's a little loose. It kind of fits really nice. Here you can either wear this down or wear this up. Here are the colors. It has some buttons here. Here's the back. It's cute. I like it. Okay, so then next, the cardigan. It's so soft. I love it. I just paired it with some jeans, a white tank, and some wedges, and some blank New York jeans. So this is really nice. It's actually extremely warm. It's really cute, and it fits nice. It's a little bit longer. I'm kind of short, so I don't know. So I need some help on this. It's really cute though. And next I'll pair it with this bag, which is really cute. I like mustard. It's really nice. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm not sure what I want to keep. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So the shorts, they're really adorable. I'm not sure because I just did buy some blank New York ones. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. They're really comfortable, but it is going to start to be fall. So I'm not sure if shorts will be, necessary soon. I have a ton of shorts, so let me know, but they are really nice, and they're only $44. Next is this cardigan. It's really cute. I'm not sure though. Let's see what it's made of. I'm scared it's gonna like shrink if I dry it or even put it in the washing machine. Rayon, polyester, and spandex. Wash. Do not bleach. Hand wash cold. Okay. So I don't hand wash anything, but this is really adorable. I don't know. I'm really torn. Next is this cowl necked top here. I really like this. I'm just trying to be picky and choosy and see what I would actually wear. I'm trying to, you know, figure stuff for more of the, you know, the winter, fall, but this is really cute. I'm not sure about the colors though. I'm looking for more of like a lighter color, but I do like navy. This top here, I really didn't like it at all. It's not my style. The fit isn't like that great. So I'm gonna pass on that one. This bag is really cute. I'm not sure how durable it'll be. I have to see if my computer will fit in here. Oh, cool, it has, I just noticed this, it has this little extra pouch here. So I have to see if my computer will fit in here. For $44, it's really not that bad. So we'll see, but I really love mustard. It's like one of my favorite colors. So I will put in the comment box below what I decided to keep. So the total for the box was $218, and then the buy all 5 discount $54.50, which comes to $163.50, which is really cheap for all this. I probably would have kept everything, but if this wasn't in there, I don't know. I like everything else. So we'll see. I'm not sure. I'll put in the comments below. Let me know your opinions and what you think. If you're new to Stitch Fix, click on that link below. You'll get $25 towards your fix. It's a great deal. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.